Everything you need to know about the vaginal ring. The vaginal ring is a small contraceptive device, about 5 centimeters in diameter. It is made of soft, flexible plastic. You insert it into your vagina, where it steadily releases 2 hormones, estrogen and progestogen, into your bloodstream. It's one of the most convenient contraception methods, ideal for those who find it hard to remember to take a daily pill. Once inserted, the ring stays in place for 3 weeks, then take it out for 1 week. When properly inserted, the ring doesn't cause discomfort and won't interfere with sex or daily activities. When used correctly, it's over 99% effective at preventing pregnancy. Unlike the pill, it remains effective even if you vomit or have severe diarrhea. How does the vaginal ring work? The contraceptive ring helps prevent pregnancy in 3 key ways. It stops your ovaries from releasing an egg. It thickens cervical mucus, making it harder for sperm to reach the egg. It thins the lining of the uterus, so a fertilized egg can't implant and grow. HealthExpress, your online doctor and pharmacy. Did you like this video? Like it and share it. And follow us for more content.